What's up, guys? These are my Air Jordan playoff 12s. Pulled these bad boys out the closet a little bit ago and noticed that the bottom is pretty damn yellow. Haven't worn them in a long time. These shoes are 8 years old. Still in pretty good condition. Wish I could wear them. I tried cleaning off this yellow. It's pretty bad right here. This yellow is just so bad. So I'm gonna try and fix that today. Here's the product I'm gonna be using on the shoes today. Shoe paint brand Angelus make this Sole Bright. I've seen it used on Air Jordan 11s, 6s, anything with an icy sole, but apparently this is gonna do some magic on my 12s. So let's see how it goes. Here's what you're gonna need: some clear plastic wrap, a toothbrush to apply, and I'm using a dish to squeeze the product in just to make it easier to scoop. Here is the first shoe. I'm gonna do one at a time just to show a real life side-by-side comparison. This product is activated by UV rays. So I don't have an awesome backyard to sit my shoe in. So I'm just using my window. It's a super bright sunny day today, so hopefully that works out for me. Okay, so I'm gonna just try my best here to apply using one hand. I squirted a fair bit amount into this little container here, using an old toothbrush to apply to the shoe. Not gonna do the whole thing, just gonna show you this little side here, just to show you how I did the first shoe. Okay, I'm back. This is the finished product. Look how white these things got with one treatment using the Sole Bright. This shoe looked the worst of the two. I think one more treatment and I will be good to go. These look pretty new to me, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments section. I just might wear these today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.